Never comprehending the race at long.
This is a child abduction alert regarding the following child. Jaden C. Hunt, male white, 8 years of age, 4 foot 0 inches tall, 45 pounds, blue eyes, brown hair. The child was last seen at 2045 South County Road X in the township of Knowlton, Wisconsin. The child was last seen wearing a white tank top and silver or white shorts. Law enforcement authorities believe the child may be in the company of Jamie Christopher Hunt, male white, 34 years of age, 5 foot 9 inches tall, 150 pounds, brown hair and brown eyes. Suspect also has a tattoo of a star on his left shoulder and was last seen wearing a bright blue t-shirt with a picture of a game controller and the words "Play with me" on that shirt, as well as wearing black sweatpants. The suspect could possibly be armed with a machete-type knife. They were last seen traveling in a 2004 Chrysler Town & Country van, purple in color, Wisconsin plate 139YNU. Last seen heading southbound towards Stevens Point, Wisconsin from Knowlton, Wisconsin. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Jaden C. Hunt, please contact Marathon County Sheriff's Office at 715-261-1200. Person or persons who may locate the abductor should take no action other than to immediately call law enforcement authorities and provide them with the location.